Hey guys, this is Deviu, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really simple but useful trick to create new ARP ideas using Ableton devices. So let's get started. So I have this started idea here. I just have a really simple bass and some drum loops. So let's give it a listen. So sometimes we have these ideas where we are like a bit stuck to continue with them and to create new ARPs. So with these tools maybe you will get some unexpected sounds and you will be able to continue with your track. So I'm going to solo this sound here, which is like a block sound from Diva, really simple. And what we're going to do next is go to our MIDI Effects section and we're to add a chords device and also an arpeggiator. I'm going to turn off the arpeggiator so we go step by step. So basically what the chords device does is to create new intervals on top of our root note. So what we have to do first is to create a new MIDI pattern and to write down our key. In this case is a D minor track, so we just write a key. We have just one note going on, so with this one we will be able to add new notes on top of our root note of our key. As you can hear, you can do a lot of different stuff, and you have 6 voices. So what we can do here, for example, we could use a third note, then we could use a fifth but down, sorry. We could set octave up. So right now we have a D minor chord, really simple. We could keep the root note, we can keep a second to give it a more dramatic sound, and we could add, let's say, a seventh, for example. So right now we are going to turn on our arpeggiator. With this one we're going to play these notes on different orders and on different speed. So basically we have some parameters, but the important ones here are the rate, which will set the speed of our notes. In this case I will use a 16 note because I want like a faster ARP, and the gate will set the note length. So we have this ARP going on here already. As you can hear, everything is going like up with arpeggio, but it's because of the ARP style. So here we have various styles we can check. We can have the ARP going down, for example. We can go up and down. And we have different ones like Diverge, for example, which has like a different rhythm. We also have random. So if we put this in context of our track, we already have an arpeggio going on. So as you can hear, there's already a really nice arpeggio, but we can still edit it more with our chords device. We can change some notes. For example. Or we can keep the ones we like. This one sounds nice. So once we have our notes we like, what we can do is we can create a new MIDI clip and we can set the input from this MIDI clip from our already existing Diva channel. So we are going to record what the ARP and Chord devices are doing. Okay, so what we can do now is we can turn this off, and we can move this to keep it in our sound channel. So now we have our arpeggio written down into a new MIDI pattern, and we are able to edit it as we like. We can add, remove, or change the notes we want. So I'm going to do like a really fast edit right now, just for you to listen. I can go up here, for example. We could set something like this. Let's say something. Yeah, I like that. Maybe we can change this one over here and this one over here. We can also, I don't know, we can edit more, or we can remove also some notes we don't like, for example. Yeah, I like it. And that way, once we have it done, we can edit it more if you want. I'm going to loop it just for the demo. But we already have this cool ARP going on into our track. So yeah, that way you can have unexpected ideas. As I mentioned, you can also play within the different styles from the ARP. You also have some random notes which you can like keep recording for some time, and just then select and cut the parts you like to create your own ARP. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this is helpful for your productions, and see you later.
If you're trying to be a successful music producer and get signed to labels, we have a community full of driven people who are ready to help each other get to the next step in music production and get signed to a label, which helps you get a music career out of it. We have artists such as Deviu, Neil Young, Crimson, that's me, and a lot more A&Rs from big labels as well, who come in and give feedback consistently. So join our Discord group, it's in the link in the description below. If you want to dig deeper into music production and get some courses specific to progressive house, melodic house, tech house, then you can also get courses through the Gumroad link in the description below. On top of this, we provide one-on-one mentorship. So just reach out again on the Discord channel, or you can reach out to us on our email in the description below.